Good morning, students. Welcome to Finite Element Method tutorial. I am Virakesh, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Engineering Department. Today I am going to explain one problem on eigenvalues and natural frequencies. The problem is determine all natural frequencies of the simply supported beam as shown in figure using one element. This is the given simply supported beam. This length of the simply supported beam is 800 mm and its width is 75 mm, thickness is 25 mm. This element having two nodes, that is 1 and 2, every node having two displacement, that is in x direction and y direction. This is u1 in y direction, I am taking u1 in y direction, u2 in x direction, u3 in y direction, u4 in x direction. Now calculate area, that is cross sectional area of the simply supported beam, that is width into thickness, that is 75 into 25 equals 1875 mm square. Now convert to meters, that is length equal to 800 mm, that equals 0.8 meters. Area equal to 1.875 into 10 power minus 3 meter square. Now take Young's modulus E equal 200 GPa, that equal 200 into 10 power 9 Newton per meter square, and also assume density of the material 7850 kg per meter cube. Now calculate I, moment of inertia I equal for rectangular element. We know the formula for moment of inertia, that is B h cube by 12. B is 75, h is 25 cube by 12. This value is 9.76 into 10 power minus 8 meter power 4. Now calculate stiffness matrix per beam element. We know the formula, that is EI by L cube, 12 6L minus 12 6L, 6L 4L square minus 6L 2L square minus 12 minus 6L 12 minus 6L 6L 2L square minus 6L 4L square. These these four elements are similar to these four elements. These four elements are same. For easy remembering, assume this is equal to A, this is equal to B. A, B, B, A. Now substitute above the given values in this equation, that is E equal 200 into 10 power 9 into I equal 9.76 into 10 power minus 8 meter per 4, L equals 0.8 cube, 12 6L 6 into 0.8 minus 12 6 into 0.8 6 into 0.8 4 into 0.8 whole square minus 6 into L 0.8 2 into 0.8 whole square minus 12 minus 6 into L 0.8 12 minus 6 into 0.8 6 into 0.8 2 into 0.8 square minus 6 into 0.8 4 into 0.8 square. Now simplify this equation, we get 38146.976 38146.973 into the matrix, that is 12 4.8 minus 12 4.8 4.8 2.56 minus 4.8 1.28 minus 12 minus 4.8 12 minus 4.8 4.8 1.28 minus 4.8 2.56. Now write the nodes displacement 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. This is the simply separated beam. This simply separated beam, there is no displacement in y direction, that is u1 and u3 are fixed. It has only displacement in x direction, that is u2 and u3, u2 and u4. Now apply the boundary conditions. Eliminate first row and first column, third column and third row. Uh, Now calculate mass matrix for a beam element. We know we know the formula already, we derived in previous lecture. M equal rho AL by 420, 156, 22L, 54 minus 13L, 22L, 4L square, 13L minus 3L square, 54, 13L, 156 minus 22L minus 13 minus 3L square minus 22L, 4L square. Now substitute the given values in this formula. We get 28.0357 into 10 power minus 3, 156, 1.56, 156, 17.6, 54 minus 11.7, 17.6, 2.56, 10.4 minus 1.92, 54, 11.7, 156 minus 17.6 minus 11.7 minus 1.92 minus 17.6, 2.56. Now apply the boundary conditions. 1 and 3 are fixed, so eliminate first column, first row, third column and third row. Now write remaining elements, that is stiffness matrix equal to 38146.9 into 2.56, 1.28, 1.28, 2.56. Mass matrix 28.0357 into 10 power minus 3 into 2.56 minus 1.92 minus 1.92, 2.56. Now write the characteristic equation. K minus lambda m, determinant of K minus lambda m equals 0. Now substitute above matrix in this equation, that is stiffness matrix minus lambda into mass matrix equals 0. now now simplify this equation, that is 97656.25 minus lambda into 0.07177, similar to remaining elements. Now determine this matrix, that is AD minus BC 97656.25 minus lambda 0.07177 into same term, so take whole square minus 48828.125 plus 0.0538 3 lambda whole square. Now simplify this equation, we get lambda 1 equal to 817004.878, lambda 2 equals 388,748.079. These two are eigenvalues. Now calculate natural frequency by using this lambda 1 and lambda 2. Omega 1 square, we know lambda 1 equal omega 1 square, omega 1 equal under root lambda 1. This first natural frequency is 2858.33 radian per second. This is the angular frequency. Now calculate natural frequency. We know the formula, that is omega 1 equal 2 pi f1. f1 equal omega 1 by 2 pi. Omega 1 is 2858.33 by 2 pi, that equal to 454.91 hertz. Similar to calculate Lambda 2 equal omega 2 square. From this equation, omega 2 equal under root lambda 2. This value is 623.49 radian per second. We know natural frequency formula, that is omega 2 equal 2 pi f2, f2 equal omega 2 by 2 pi, omega 2 equals 623.49 by 2 pi. We get natural frequency is 99.23 Hz. I hope this is very clear to everyone. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe my channel for more updates.